I am not having it. Did I show you guys my Christmas tree? Not maybe like a closet where we're doing shirts here and maybe like a bag.
Making our Christmas memories.
Hi babes, welcome to Vlogmas Day 1. So today I am trying to be really excited for Vlogmas Day 1. I have to vlog every single day till Christmas. No exceptions, no matter how bad I feel. I've been sick for like 4 days now. Wait, let me turn it up. My whole body hurts, but I feel like my body hurts probably because of the gym, because I went to the gym like 2 days ago and I'm super sore. It's not even normal. But it's like it's a kind of nice feeling though, because you know, like your hard work is like paying off, you know. Today I wanted to go into the city to go do some shopping, but I'm not sure if I'm still doing that because I just feel so bad. But I still want to make every Vlogmas a little fun, even when I feel like this, you know what I mean? But we'll see what we're gonna do. I also have to film some videos for next week, because I am gonna be in Aruba next week, and I don't want to not have any videos, like regular videos for the ones that don't really want to watch vlogs, you know. So I don't know, I'm gonna try to film today. We'll see, hopefully it'll work. If not, hopefully it'll work tomorrow. I have a lot to do before I leave to go to Aruba, so it's just still a lot. I washed my hair, that's why I have a towel on my head. I have to do my hair. I was thinking about doing a ponytail because I'm really tired of the green hair, to be really honest, so I think I'm just gonna do a ponytail and just like do that. But I feel like, oh, that was my phone. I feel like I'm just gonna edit some pictures first and work on Instagram and just relax in bed, and then later in like a couple of hours then I'm gonna work on something for YouTube. So I got this package from Huda Beauty. It just came in. This is the new lipsticks that she's been promoting. I mean, I already know it because I see other people open their PR packages. Wait, let me open this thing. I don't know why I always try to do this, you guys. Like, I always try to sit here and open it with one hand, and I know it doesn't work. Ay. So yeah, this is what they look like. I'm going to make a separate video on these, and then like swatch them and stuff and talk about them and like my first impressions kind of. And then this is like the package that it comes in. It's pretty simple, right? I have like my roll of toilet paper for me being sick. But yeah, this is what they come in. It's really cute. Like if you look inside, like I'm not gonna show you guys now because then there's almost no point in doing a video on it, I think. Or is there? I don't know. But I think I might film that either today or tomorrow and then post it on Monday. Like, I don't know if I'll film. We'll see. So my phone just fell, right? Look at this. I really hope that the screen protector is like the thing that is broken. I mean, right here it looks like my phone broke. Yeah, that part is definitely the phone, but I hope this is just, oh please, I hope that this is just the screen protector. Like, please don't be the phone. Oh my goodness. So I've been in bed like this all day. So a couple of hours later, the Wi-Fi has been gone for like a half hour about now, and I am not having it. I'm not having it. I don't know what it's like to be without Wi-Fi and not have a TV and not be able to like get out of the house and not have someone to talk to. Like it really sucks. Like this is crazy. Like, you know, like with Wi-Fi, like I'll call my mother, I'll talk to my boyfriend, or I have something to do when I have Wi-Fi. But this no Wi-Fi life, I can't live it. And it's not just the Wi-Fi, it's also my data. I don't have any internet, any sort of kind of internet right now, so it really sucks. I'm gonna go get a tangerine because I'm in a mood for tangerine. Like, I just need it. Thankfully there's no one in the house, so I can just get out the house, I mean the room, looking crazy like this. I don't know if I ever showed you guys what this house looks like, but I basically just have the space in my room to do stuff. I really just want like one tangerine, but I'm gonna take two just in case I want another one, so I don't have to like get out and get one more. Should I go with you guys like a little, I don't really want to give you guys like a tour. I'm just gonna show you guys like what the kitchen looks like. So it looks really crazy. It's not all mine. I actually live with 2 other people, but this is basically what the kitchen looks like. Never showed you guys because I just feel like this is like the most like not interesting part of it. Like none of this is mine. All my stuff are like right there. I have like a little thing right there. Yeah, the way I'm living here is just, it's not ideal, and I cannot wait to move out. Like when I get back next year, I'm definitely moving out. Like I'm looking for a new place, actively looking, because I can't do this anymore. Ooh, and did I show you guys my Christmas tree? I think I did, but this is basically what it looks like up close. Nothing too special. I just used the same decorations I used last year. I mean, I'm leaving in a couple of days, so I don't really like need it, you know? So I just ordered some pizza, some margarita pizza. I know I'm sick, but I've just been craving it like so bad, so I just wanted some. And then I also bought some, what's this? The chocolate lava cake, because I've just been craving unhealthy food, and I haven't had unhealthy food in the longest, so I had to get me some pizza. So I decided to get a little cute, basically. Just fix myself up a little bit to feel better. I kind of want to start packing, but I'm not sure if I should start packing, honestly. I don't really know what I should do, because I'm leaving in a couple of days. I'm really excited to leave, but it's just, it doesn't feel like that soon yet, even though it's kind of soon already. I just still have a lot to do in the room, and I don't know if you guys know this, but I'm holding the camera all the way crooked. I don't know if you guys know this, but I have a really small room, and my large suitcase is going to just take up all the space. I have my suitcase in one of the closets in the house, or actually it's not really like a closet where we're supposed to put things, but someone that I live with, like one of the women that I live with, actually like stores all her stuff in there, and I'm not going to have a huge suitcase in this room. There's already no space, so I just like put it there as well, because I mean, she's doing it, I'm doing it too, and it was never said to me that I'm not allowed to, so I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna put it there until someone tells me like, you can't do that, you know? So I'm gonna have to take it out of there and then put it in the room, but I feel like, because tomorrow I still want to film. Tomorrow is like a complete like filming day slash last minute shopping day. And then I feel like Sunday I want to make my day a preparing wigs and packing kind of day, because I'm not even sure like what I'm taking with me, to be really honest. Like which hair am I taking with me? I know I'm gonna want like different styles. I was thinking about taking this one with me, but I don't know how I'm gonna feel about it, because I've had this one in for a couple of weeks now. I think it's like 3 weeks. Nah, it could also already be like a month, I'm not sure, but I've had this in for a long time. And I also had the green one, but I feel like the green one, I might feel like I want to put that one on again, but I might also just take the green one with me just to try to take out the hair dye and then color it another color for like the season, the holiday season and stuff. I don't really know yet. Also, I'm feeling a lot better right now, which I'm really happy about. I've been drinking a lot of hydrating. I've been drinking a lot of water, and I feel super hydrated because of that, so I'm really happy about that. So seeing that I'm sitting in bed and I am not really doing much, I want to show you guys something kind of interesting that I like to do when it comes to like planning outfits, because I really want to start planning outfit for like photo shoots and stuff, and I don't have a lot of clothes, but the clothes that I recently got from like Pretty Little Thing and Boohoo, and I also got a couple of Primark things, not really to wear on Aruba. I think I'm gonna go to Primark tomorrow, so I might find something that I like, not sure. But this is basically an example of what I like to do when it comes to planning out outfits a little bit. I don't want to do it in Photoshop because I feel like official Photoshop will just be too much work. Like I want to do it like super quick, you know, just like on my phones, just to have an idea of what I want to plan and what I want to wear with what and what will look good. So I'm gonna show you guys real quick how I do that. So this is my phone, right? I know, I mean, duh. And then you have all these outfits here. I'm just looking at like stuff that I already have in my closet on Pretty Little Thing. Then I have this app right here called Photoshop Mix, and I just put an outfit in there. Like I have these trousers. I don't know if you guys have seen this in my my haul video, but I have these right here, and I want to wear this on Noche Buena. And I was like, what can I wear with this? So I'm gonna be able to put like shirts here and maybe like a bag and some heels that I own, you know, just to style it and see how it would look. This is what it looks like until now. I just have these pants, and then in a little bit I'll show you guys what I will be wearing with it. I kind of have an outfit in mind, but I'm not happy with it. This is what I have till now. I don't know if you guys can see that. Yeah, so it's not really picking it up. I don't feel like I like the black heels with the white, but I don't have white heels, so I'm not sure what I'm gonna do about that. I have nude ones, but I don't want to wear it with nude, and I don't want to wear it with a black top because that's just going to be too dark. I don't know. I might not even wear this outfit for Noche Buena because I can't figure out what I want to wear, basically. I don't know. I feel like I'm just gonna figure it out later, I think. Also, have you guys seen Ariana's new video clip? I was freaking out over it. Like when I saw Chris, I started screaming. I got so excited. I was like, oh my gosh, she's in it, she looks so cute. I honestly have no idea why I love Chris so much. Like I don't know what it is about her. I just really love her her personality, and I just love like how she is and how caring, and I don't know, I love her. I do. So yeah, I was freaking out a little bit. It just, the whole video clip just made me really happy. Like I was constantly smiling, and I was like, oh, it's so cute, it's so cute. Anyways, I hope you guys kind of enjoyed this vlog. I know it wasn't too Christmassy, I know it wasn't too exciting. Not all my Vlogmas vlogs are going to be really Christmassy because I don't really do a lot of Christmassy things in the Christmas time. Like I try to do as much as I can, but it's never like strictly just Christmas. Like when I get older, I am gonna go crazy during the Christmas holiday season, basically, because I'm gonna have a lot more money to just spend and splurge on Christmas stuff, and I'm going to have my own house, and I'm going to be able to decorate as much as I want and just go all the way overboard with it. And my kids are probably not gonna like Christmas as much as me because I'm gonna go so overboard with it. So I just have to see how I'm gonna like handle that, because I hope my kids are really obsessed with Christmas just like their mother. But for now, you know, it might not be as Christmassy as I want it to be. Just a little heads up, you know. Anyways, I'm starting to feel a lot better, so I'm really happy about that. So I feel like tomorrow when I wake up, I might just be cured and just healthy and just feeling great. So I'm excited for tomorrow. Tomorrow's vlog is definitely going to be a little Christmassier because I'm going to go out and I'm going to go to the store. I'm going to do some shopping. I have some shopping to do for Secret Santa that we are doing on the 24th and the 25th. And what else do I have to do? I have to go look for some clothes because I have a lot of outfits that I have to plan for parties and stuff, and I really don't have anything to wear, at least not for parties. I bought a lot of stuff to wear, just like everyday wear, just to wear every day, but I didn't really buy party clothes, which was not really handy, so I need to go do that tomorrow. So it'll be fun. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoy the first Vlogmas. I am going to have the most amazing time vlogging this month. I'm so excited. I know, I'm not sure what's gonna happen. Oh, look at me rambling again. I'm not sure what's gonna happen, but I'm sure it's going to be a lot of fun, and I hope you guys tune in every single day for a brand new vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like, and also click the bell down below to get notified every time I upload a brand new video. Thanks for watching, and hopefully I will see you guys in tomorrow's Vlogmas. Mwah. Bye.
Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.